Welcome to my channel. Thanks to all my subscribers. In today's video, we'll be making oven grilled chicken with potatoes. Stay tuned. Add cumin, paprika, 2 pieces of cloves, garlic, onion, ginger, fresh thyme, lemon balm, salt and oil into your blender and blend into a smooth paste. Pour the blended mixture onto your chicken and mix it well so that the chicken can soak up all the spices. Cover it with a foil and leave it for about 1 to 2 hours. Add your potatoes and some vegetables into your baking bowl. I used carrot and some fresh paprika. Add some of the blended spices and mix everything together. You can arrange your chicken and potatoes in one baking pan, but I didn't have a bigger baking pan, so I decided to do it in a different way. I oiled my baking something and arranged my chicken on it on top of the potato so that the juice from the chicken can drip into the potatoes to cook it very well and give it more flavor. I added some basil leaves inside my chicken. I mean, what's chicken without basil? After 15 minutes, I turned the chicken over to the other side and sprinkled some of the juices from the potato on it, and it continued to cook for another 15 minutes and an extra 10 minutes.